Is your media software crashing because of the Mediainfo Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows developer. Let's use these professional steps to fix the runtime error. Before starting the manual troubleshooting for Mediainfo Library, you can find a diagnostic tool for a thorough environment check. This DLL file is the primary library for the Mediainfo tool. It provides a powerful engine for extracting technical metadata from audio and video files, including codec info, bitrate, and container data for media players. Enough of the technical side. Let's get these files back onto your system. Third-party application errors like this are best fixed by reinstalling the affected software. Download and reinstall the latest version of your media software to restore the Mediainfo Library DLL safely. If no luck was had with the redistributable package, we will escalate the fix by performing a targeted reset of the system state. Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes re-establish a broken link to the Mediainfo Library file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting. I'd like to provide a brief technical warning about the risks of using unofficial file repositories. Be highly suspicious of any site that recommends disabling your endpoint protection to install the Mediainfo Library DLL, as this is a standard red flag for malicious software injection. For those looking for a professional-grade monitoring resource, I've provided a link to a diagnostic tool for you below. Review system security and background process optimization concepts using the maintenance kit linked below for the Mediainfo Library. To keep the Mediainfo Library running with a stable configuration, subscribe to our channel and like this video to help us reach more users in need of support.